Hello boys and girls, welcome to another Mathematics in Action lesson. I am Carlette Diedrich, your mathematics teacher. Today we will be exploring the concept sets. When we are through exploring, you will be an expert at identifying sets that are finite, infinite, and empty. Now, boys and girls, let's take a look at this picture and tell me what you see. Very good, boys and girls. In the picture, you were able to see some stars. Can you describe the stars? Great! The stars are of different colors and sizes. Can you count and tell the exact number of stars? Great job, boys and girls. They cannot all be counted. Let us take a look at this other picture. What do you see? Great observation, students. You see a classroom with some desks and chairs. Can you count the exact number of desks and chairs in the classroom? Great work, boys and girls. All the desks and chairs indeed can be counted. You have been doing well so far, boys and girls. Now, let's look carefully at this final picture and tell me your observation. There you go. The basket has no elements in it. Therefore, it is empty. Now, let us put all three sets of pictures together. The set of desks and chairs can all be counted, thus it is called a finite set. The set of stars cannot all be counted, therefore it is called an infinite set. And the set that has no elements in it is called an empty or null set. Excellent job so far. Now let us explore a bit further. Brianna, a grade 5 student, was asked to list all possible counting numbers that exist in a set form. Do you see where Brianna might have a challenge doing so? Great thinking, boys and girls. You are indeed smart. Brianna could be writing as many counting numbers as she could possibly think of, but she would never be able to write all counting numbers that exist. There is an infinite set of counting numbers. Can someone show Brianna how to represent all possible counting numbers in set form? Awesome job! Because counting numbers start at 1 and continues indefinitely, we use 3 dots known as ellipses to show the continuation of the counting. Let us try this problem together. The Paris family decided to take a trip to the James Bond beach in St. Mary for a family fun day. Everyone was having a grand time until all decided to take a break from the water. Can you use the information given to create finite, infinite, and empty sets and justify your responses? Now, boys and girls, let's take a look at this picture and tell me what you see. You are indeed a star. The children and their parents represent the finite set as you are able to count all of them. You could also have a set of males, females, children, adults, and the list goes on because they all can be counted. Let us take a look at this other picture. What do you see? Great! The set of umbrellas also represents a finite set as they all can be counted. The sand represents the infinite set as it was impossible to count the number of grains of sand at the beach. Therefore, it is called an infinite set. Now, let's look carefully at this final picture and tell me your observation. Wow! You have been doing great so far. Empty or null set could represent the persons in the water based on the picture. There are no persons in the water, therefore it is empty. Great job, boys and girls. Can you try this last activity? Your grade 5 class teacher asks you to classify the following as finite, infinite, or empty set and to justify your answers. Firstly, she asks you to list the set of real numbers. You go, boys and girls. The ellipsis at the beginning means there are numbers before 9, and the ellipsis after 13 means there are numbers that can be listed. It is therefore classified as infinite set. Secondly, she asks you to list the set of all the multiples of 4 between 1 and 30. Very good. The set of multiples of 4 between 1 and 30 are set of 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and 28. It is therefore classified as finite set. Thirdly, your teacher gave you this scenario. Mom went to the market to purchase apples. She bought some lovely red apples in a basket. Draw a set to represent the number of green apples in Mom's basket. Wonderful, boys and girls. There are no green apples in Mom's basket. Therefore, the set that represents Mom's basket would be an empty set. Well done, boys and girls. I hope you had fun identifying sets that are finite, infinite, and empty. See you next time.